name is Matteo Menolotto, and I'm a postdoctoral researcher with Confirm at Tyndall National Institute in Cork.
The robotic revolution is rapidly accelerating, with over 3 million robots already being deployed worldwide. My research focuses on designing and developing human robotics interface technology, which enable the safe interaction between robots and operators. Motion tracking technology is one of the many tools we use to develop our wearables, which is the same technology used in the movie industry.
This technology can be used in industry and healthcare to improve safety in collaborative robotics application, combining the dexterity of the robot with the experience and intelligence of the operator.